In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to right-align dates in Microsoft Word. When creating documents such as letters, reports, applications, or other professional documents, you may want the date to appear neatly aligned along the right side of the page. Instead of manually adding spaces to move the date across the page, Microsoft Word provides a better way to position it accurately. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the date you want to move to the right side. Place your cursor anywhere within the date or select the date text. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph section, look for the alignment options. Select Align Right. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and R to quickly right-align the selected paragraph. Once you apply right alignment, the date will move to the right margin of the document. This is useful when you want the date positioned consistently without relying on spaces or repeated keyboard presses. If you're working with a date that is part of a larger paragraph, make sure the cursor is positioned in the correct paragraph before applying the alignment. Word applies paragraph alignment to the paragraph containing your cursor, so you don't always need to select the entire date. For a document where the date needs to remain on the right while other text stays on the left, make sure the date is placed in its own paragraph. This gives you independent control over its alignment without affecting the surrounding text. You can also use the paragraph dialog box for more precise formatting. Select the paragraph containing the date, open the paragraph settings, and choose the right alignment option. This provides another way to control how the date is positioned within the document. One important tip is to avoid using multiple spaces to push a date toward the right side of the page. Spaces can create inconsistent positioning, especially when the document is edited or the font size changes. Using Word's alignment tools keeps the date properly positioned and makes the formatting more reliable. Once the date is right aligned, you can continue editing the rest of your document without affecting its position. If you need to change the date later, simply edit the text within the same paragraph and the right alignment will remain in place. This technique is especially useful for formal letters and other documents where a clean and professional layout is important. And that's it. You've now learned how to right-align dates in Microsoft Word using the built-in paragraph alignment tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,